Today is Wednesday, May 20th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. We are closing in on a holiday weekend. I've already been asked probably over a dozen times, what is the weather looking like here in the Northeast this holiday weekend? You're seeing the rain in the forecast. Well, let's see if we can iron out some of those details. I can tell you this is not going to be one of the nicest Memorial Day weekends weather-wise that we've seen. Far from it, in fact. We'll get to the details here in a moment. Got a pretty nice morning, though, underway in the New York metro. There's a little bit of humidity, you'll notice that, but we're in the 70s. Get that exercise in early because it is going to be hot this afternoon. We've had some issues with the air quality the last couple of days, so it's best to avoid that strenuous activity during the hottest part of the day, and it's going to be hot. 94 degrees, probably feeling more like 97 with the humidity. Then later on this evening, a cold front will be approaching from the west. Could see some showers and storms in the overnight hours, and that will bring some cooler weather starting tomorrow. Today, we're already seeing that cooler weather pouring in across western and central New York. Now, initially, if you were to take the forecast highs, you'd be very misled because the high temperatures, I think, are going to happen probably around midnight. After midnight, temperatures are just going to keep falling, and they're going to keep falling all day long across the rest of New York State. That's going to happen sort of in reverse for the I-95 corridor. So from Boston to New York and Philly, your temperatures will drop tonight. So tomorrow's high temperature will probably be pretty early in the day. So temperatures overnight, probably not getting as cool as you're seeing here. These will be tomorrow's temperatures when they cool off. But these are for sure what you can expect tomorrow morning across the New York State Thruway. 40s for temperatures. Now, remember, last couple of nights it's been around 70, so that's a good 25-degree difference from the last few mornings here going into our Thursday morning, tomorrow. So there's the cold front that's going to come through this evening and into tomorrow with showers in the forecast. It is going to be a lot cooler from Philly to New York and Boston for tomorrow. But you notice those showers, if you look at the clock there, that's 5 p.m. So they're definitely well after that. So we'll probably see showers and storms coming through after sunset and then into the overnight. So still some showers around tomorrow. Again, that's misleading. That high's probably early in the day. Temperatures being the 60s most of the day. 60s on Friday, which looks like will be kind of a showery day, but not a terribly wet day. In fact, a good part of Friday could actually end up dry. I think it's Friday night we get some rain, and that rain continues all day on Saturday. We are in the northern edge of it, so if there's a shift to the south, it's good news. It wouldn't be good news for Jersey. Certainly most of Pennsylvania looks pretty wet on Saturday. It's not going to be a real nice day. Sorry about it. Peaking just barely at 60 degrees, probably going to be 50s for a lot of the day. Then on Sunday, most of Sunday will actually be dry. We'll see some showers maybe later in the day, and that's the rain that continues into Monday on Memorial Day. 58 degrees with rain. I said it right at the beginning. It's not going to be the nicest Memorial Day weekends here in the Northeast. Most of this rain, I will say, is from New Jersey through Pennsylvania, the southern tier of New York State. So as you travel north, the weather actually gets nicer. So keep that in mind if your plans are sort of flexible. As you travel north, the weather will be nicer for this holiday weekend. Okay, that's your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great rest of the week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.